Bollywood is buzzing with some serious behind-the-scenes drama. And this time, it's not on screen. It's about the much-talked-about collapse of Dom 3. And guess who has stepped in to cool things down? None other than Aamir Khan. Yes, the superstar has reportedly taken on the role of peacemaker between Ranveer Singh and Farhan Akhtar's XL Entertainment after their fallout over the shelved project turned into a full-blown financial and ego battle. According to reports, multiple meetings have recently taken place at Aamir Khan's Mumbai residence. Producers, studio heads, and key players from both camps were spotted coming in, all in an effort to resolve the escalating dispute before it spirals into a legal war. At the center of the controversy is XL Entertainment's demand for a massive 40 crore compensation from Ranveer Singh. The production house claims it suffered heavy pre-production losses, including money spent on set designs, scheduling, planning, and other groundwork, after Ranveer allegedly exited the project last year. However, Ranveer's camp is strongly pushing back. Insiders claim there was never a fully locked script in place, and that Farhan Akhtar, who was set to direct, was largely unavailable and unwilling to incorporate feedback. They argue that creative uncertainty and delays played a huge role in the project falling apart. Ranveer's team has also pointed out that no signing amount or advance was taken by the actor, raising the question, why should he pay compensation for a film that never officially went on floors? Adding more fuel to the fire, sources say XL Entertainment even approached Hrithik Roshan as a potential replacement at one point, before allegedly circling back to Ranveer after the buzz around his other projects picked up. Ranveer's side reportedly feels this shows the production house wasn't fully committed either. They've also cited examples of past shelved Bollywood projects like Baiju Bawra, where actors were not asked to compensate producers when films didn't materialize. The situation escalated further when XL reportedly contacted Birla Studios, the backers of Ranveer's upcoming zombie thriller Pralay, urging them to pause funding and shooting until the Dom 3 dispute is resolved. That move did not sit well with Ranveer's team, which has now demanded a detailed audit of the 40 crore expenses claimed by XL. The Producers Guild of India has already held 2 mediation sessions, but tensions remain high. During discussions, Ranveer allegedly questioned the double standard, suggesting that if Shah Rukh Khan had returned as Don and later stepped away, he likely wouldn't have faced such financial demands. Meanwhile, XL maintains that they only moved into serious pre-production after receiving full commitment from Ranveer through documented communication. For now, Ranveer remains tight-lipped publicly, focusing on Pralay and other upcoming ventures, while XL is reportedly determined to recover its losses to secure its production pipeline. The industry is watching closely. Will Aamir's diplomacy save the day, or will this turn into Bollywood's next big legal drama? Fans are divided, and the stakes couldn't be higher in this clash of money, commitment, and movie-making power.